how to edit and change administrator email on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First open your browser, and now once you're here all you need to do just click settings, and now scroll down until you find this one, miscellaneous, and then here we'll find administrator's email. Now type here anything you want, an email you want, and then click save. It will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.